This is the sound your Tesla air conditioning compressor makes after 100,000 miles. If you don't annually clean out the radiator / condenser, it's gonna blow up. The bearings are bad. Got this noise. My rental, can you hear it? I can't hear it from there. I thought I could hear it from outside, but we can hear it in here. It sounds like the compressor going bad in the HVAC, right? It sounds like metal on metal scraping, doesn't it? Denise? What does it sound like?
It sounds like a gas fireplace leaking.
All right, I'm gonna turn it off and listen for the difference in the sound. Ready? It sounded to me like bearings are bad and it's metal on metal. And this is an